Welcome back, and today I'm going to tell you reason 10 for polishing your shoes. I'm just buffing off the last of the second coat of the cream polish. It's soaked in, it's nourished the leather. You can see the effect there, I'm quite pleased with that. But reason number 10 for polishing your shoes is to waterproof them. You'd be unusual if you lived in a place where it never rained, and your feet won't get wet because you're wearing these lovely shoes, but your shoes are going to get wet, and that wet will permeate the leather and won't do them any good. So any old shirt cut up will do, and what you do, what I do anyway, is put quite a lot of this wax polish onto the upper of the shoe, and you can see it'll make it go very dull at first. Tiny little circles at first and then slightly bigger ones, and this can go on for a long time, because what you want to do all over the shoe, including the vamp, is put 5 coats, at least 5 coats of this wax polish. You want your shoes to be impervious to the rain, so wax them. Having creamed them, having added back the nutrition and the moisturising qualities of the cream polish, the wax polish now protects the shoe. And that's it, reason 10, waterproofing. Come back tomorrow, I'll give you reason 11. Thanks for watching.